Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I am going to talk NCERT example problems. So in three-dimensional planes. The first question, note down all of you. Find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 6 by square root of 29 from the horizon and its normal vector from the horizon 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So what is the vector equation of the plane in the normal form? We know that r bar dot n cap is equal to d. Here given perpendicular distance from the horizon given. So that is d given. According to problem, so what is the given here? Perpendicular distance and also given vector. So let n bar is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. From this we have to find out n cap. N cap is equal to, we know that n bar by magnitude of n bar. So magnitude of n bar is equal to square root of 2 square 4 plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square equals square root of 29. Now n cap is equal to formula. N cap is equal to n bar divided by magnitude of n bar equals 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by square root of 29 and also distance from the horizon given. So d is equal to 6 by square root of 29. Now we required vector equation of the plane. Therefore, vector equation of the plane. So, vector equation of the plane is formula r bar dot n cap is equal to d. Substitute here r bar dot n cap is 2i minus 3j plus 4k upon square root of 29 equals 6 by square root of 29. This is the required equation of the plane. Clear this problem? Okay. Perpendicular distance of a plane from the horizon is given and normal vector given. We have to find out normal unit vector. Vector equation of the plane is in the normal form r bar dot n cap is equal to d. Substitute here, that is our answer. Understood? Now we are going to question number 2. Okay, write down. Take the problem. Find the direction cosines of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane r bar dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0 passing through the horizon. So what is asking in this? Direction cosines. So what are the direction cosines? Find out. Okay, firstly we have to bring in the form of r bar dot n cap is equal to d form. Okay, to write this form, simply we have to write, okay na? How to write this one? Given plane I am taking here. Given plane. Given plane is r bar dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to make in this form. To write in this form, we should do it here. This is vector only, not a normal unit vector. So we should find out. First of all, positive constant find out. So this side we have to keep plus 1 as it is. And remaining terms we have to take on right side. Now what is the getting? R bar dot minus getting. So minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k. Okay, this is the normal equation of the plane, general equation of the plane. So to convert into standard form, normal form, so divide here. Divide by, okay, this is the equation 1. Divide by square root of a square plus b square. Equation 1, divide by minus 6 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 4 is equal to square root of 49 is 7. Now this becomes r bar dot minus 6 by 7 into I plus 3 divided by 7 into j plus 2 divided by 7 into k is equal to 1 upon 7. So this is the equation of a plane in the normal form, vector equation of a plane in the normal form. R bar dot n cap is equal to d, where d is the perpendicular distance of the plane from the horizon. But the question is direction cosines. Therefore, direction cosines are, what are the direction cosines? Minus 6 by 7, 3 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7. Suppose if you want distance, okay na? Perpendicular distance of a plane from the horizon, what is the answer? 1 by 7. D is equal to 1 by 7. Cleared this one? So like we have to bring into normal form always. Already we completed these model questions in the exercise. Now I am going to the question number 3. Let us see the third question. Find the distance of the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0 from the horizon. In this problem, he asked here, he has given, so what he has given, plane equation given, he has, so he asked here, find the distance only. So distance asked, here only dc's, here distance, d value. So firstly, model will be same. Take the given plane, given 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. Okay, this is the first one. So divide by, so make into normal general, that is normal form. How to make in the normal form? So divide by equation 1, divide by square root of 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 square is equal to square root of 29. We get, so what is the getting equation? 2 upon square root of 29 into x plus minus 3 upon square root of 29 into y plus 4 upon square root of 29 into z equals 6 upon square root of 29. So which is in the form of normal form, Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d, which is in the form of Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. Okay, but what is asking here? Normal form? No, he asked to find the distance. So what is the distance here? D value. Therefore d is equal to 6 upon square root of 29. Very simple. Always we have to bring into standard form. R bar dot n cap is equal to D, normal form. Then after R in Cartesian form, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. So this method completed in the exercise. Same method problems are there. Can you find out? Okay, now question number 4. Fourth question. So read the problem. Note down all of you. These all are example questions. Find the vector and Cartesian equations of the plane which passes through the point 5, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to the line with direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1. Okay, so we know that vector form and Cartesian form we completed 2 to 3 questions in exercise also. Same model problem is given. So first of all we have to take the point. Let A bar be the, we should write like this, A bar be the position vector of the point. Any point we can take A, okay, that is A given 5, 2, minus 4. Then write in the vector form, A bar is equal to 5i plus 2j minus 4k. This is the A vector. And also direction ratios given. Let us take ABC. Let ABC are the DRs of normal or the DRs of normal n bar. Okay, so we can take either capital or small, whatever it is we use. N bar, okay, normal vector n bar. Then n bar is equal to, what is the normal value? 2, 3, minus 1. So A, B, C, what are the given here? A is equal to 2 given, B is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 1. So we can take here 2, 3, minus 1. These are the DRs of a normal vector. Then n bar is equal to 2i plus 3j minus k. Cleared? And also general vector. Let R bar be the position vector of the point P with respect to, everything we have to find with respect to what? Horizon. Just we have to write the some description words. You just write here. Hereafter asking vector equation of a plane. Vector, first one here, vector equation, vector form. So what is the equation of the plane? Equation of the plane is, we know that R bar minus A bar dot n bar is equal to 0. R bar minus A bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Substitute R value. R is what actually? X, Y, Z. So your point here what? P, X, Y, Z. General vector. So horizon, then R bar is equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Substitute here X into I plus Y into J plus Z into K minus of n vector, A vector 5i plus 2j minus 4k dot n vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap is equal to 0. So this is the vector equation of a plane in the vector equation of a plane passing through the point and perpendicular to normal vector. Further, if you want simplifying, we write one more step. How to write this one? X minus 5 into I cap plus y minus 2 into j cap plus z plus 4 into k cap dot, enough, this is the answer actually, dot 2i plus 3j minus k equals 0. Okay, this is called vector form, vector equation of a plane. Also asking which one? Cartesian form. So Cartesian form, from this also we can find out, or else directly we write formula, we know that. Cartesian form. So what is the Cartesian form? A bracket x minus x1 plus b bracket y minus y1 plus c bracket z minus z1 equal to 0. So I am writing equation of the plane is formula, once I write a into bracket x minus x1 plus b into bracket y minus y1 plus c into bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. Can you do it this answer? Substitute only simply. What is the ABC values? ABC are 2, 3, minus 1. So here 2 bracket x minus x1. This is x1, y1, z1. So 5 plus b, 3 bracket y minus 2 plus c value minus 1 bracket z minus z1, that is minus 4 becomes plus 4 is equal to 0. Now simplify. So if you multiply that, 2x minus 10 plus 3y minus 6 minus z minus 4 is equal to 0. What is the final equation? Find out. So that is what? 2x plus 3y minus z, constants adding, minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 minus 4. So minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a plane in the Cartesian form. So like we have to do it in vector form, Cartesian form for the 3 marks. Okay, so this model theorem also there. So these 2 theorems important, and based on theorems problems are also important. Shall we go next model? Okay, next model is find the vector equation. Next model, 5th question. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points. Those are 3 non-collinear points. If 3 points are non-collinear, means not lying in the same line, what is the equation of a plane? Vector equation of the plane asked here. Already I have given. That is what? R bar minus A bar dot B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus A bar equal to 0 in vector form. If asked in the Cartesian form, means what? Determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. So we have done already in exercise same model. So here question is vector equation of the plane. So we have to find here. So what are the point here? So let we consider first of all A bar, B bar and C bar. 3 vectors, non-collinear vectors, or these are what? Position vectors of R, S, T. Okay, R is what here? 2, 5, minus 3. S, minus 2, minus 3, 5. And T, 5, 3, minus 3 with respect to horizon. with respect to horizon. Then after, what is the a bar value? Right, a bar is equal to, then a bar, okay, then a bar is equal to, that is 2i plus 5j, 2i plus 5j minus 3k. B bar, so B bar is equal to minus 2i minus 3j plus 5k. C bar is equal to 5i plus 3j minus 3k. So like we have to write all vectors. Next, what are the required here? B bar minus a bar required. Now we have to find B bar minus a bar. Directly we have to calculate. Minus 2i minus 2i. So minus 4i. Minus 3j minus 5j minus 8j plus 5k plus 3k plus 8k. This is the B bar minus a bar. And also required. And also what is the required? C bar minus a bar also required. C vector and a vector. Subtract here. 5i minus 2i, that is 3i. Next 3j minus 5j, that is minus 2j. Minus 3k plus 3k becomes 0. Okay. Now we have to write R bar is any point here. Let R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. We don't know, this is any vector, general vector. Let R bar is equal to vector equation of a plane formula. Vector equation of a plane is, remember in vector form, R bar minus a bar dot B bar minus a bar cross C bar minus a bar equals 0. Okay. This is the vector equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Substitute this value. This implies R bar as it is minus of a vector, right, 2i plus 5j minus 3k dot B bar minus a bar. B bar minus a bar already we found, that is only substitute. Minus 4i minus 8j plus 8k cross C bar minus a bar 3i minus 2j is equal to 0. So this is the vector equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Clear this problem? So Cartesian form given, determinant apply that. Generally that is only important, my point of view. In my point of view, Cartesian form, remember, vector form if given for 2 marks, do like this only. R bar minus a bar dot B bar minus a bar cross C bar minus a bar is equal to 0. Next question. Question number 6. Find the, all are different forms of plane equations. Find the equation of the plane with intercepts 2, 3 and 4 on x, y and z axis respectively. Very simple question. So what are the intercept here? X intercept given. Okay. X intercept, that is called as A generally. So A is equal to 2 given. Y intercept given. Y intercept generally we should take B. B is equal to how much he has given? 3 units. Z intercept given, that is take as C. C is equal to 4 given. Okay. So we have x, y, z intercepts. We know the equation of the plane in intercept form. So equation of the plane, very very important for 1 mark. Equation of the plane in intercept form. Remember this one is what that is, x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. Substitute x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. This is the required equation of a plane whose intercepts 2, 3, 4. Whose intercepts are 3, 2, 3, 4 is x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. Or else if you want to take LCM, 2, 3, 4, what is the LCM? 2, 1, 3, that is 2, 3, 6, 6, 3, 12 is the LCM. So it becomes 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 12. So both are correct. So no need to simplify. This is our further convenient. So according to our time sense, we have to simplify only always. So this is the intercept form model. Next question is, so this is already completed this model problem. Very very important model, already I told this problem in exercise problem completed. Now this is the example question. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the two planes given. The first plane is r bar dot I bar plus j bar plus k bar is equal to 6. Second plane r bar dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k equals minus 5 and passes through the point 1, 1 given. So for 3 marks this model maximum times important here. Okay, so now how to solve? Already finished this one. Once again I would have explained. So you should thorough this problem. I take the first plane. What is the first plane here? Given planes. Given r bar dot I plus j plus k. Okay, is equal to 6. First plane. And second plane r bar dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k equals minus 5 as equation number 2. First plane and second plane. Now we know that point also given, that is take the point here, let p that is x, y, z, let r bar is equal to point here, p is equal to 1, 1 given. That meaning r bar is equal to this meaning x into I. Okay, that is 1 into I plus 1 into j plus z into k bar. So this is the only given data. Now we have to find equation of a plane passing through line of intersection of two planes. Line of intersection of two planes, how to find out? R bar dot or simply first plane plus lambda times second plane equal to 0. Okay, it means what? In vector form, r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda times n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda times d2. So that is the formula. Okay, vector form. So vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of the plane is, remember all of you, once again I repeat, you also read r bar dot n1 vector plus lambda times n2 bar equals d1 plus lambda times d2. Okay, so d1 plus lambda times d2. Now substitute n1 vector, n2 vector, d1, d2. This implies r bar dot n1 vector is I plus j plus k dot, that is plus lambda times n2 vector 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equal to 6 minus 5 lambda. Okay, d1 plus lambda times d2. Now simplify. This can be written as r bar. R bar is directly substituted here. Okay, or one more step, r bar dot. So we can arrange here taking common, I common, 1 plus 2 lambda into I plus 1 plus 3 lambda into j. Are you following this one? In these two terms, I is taking common. In these two terms, j is taking common. In these two terms, k is taking common. Plus k times, that is plus 1 plus 4 lambda into k cap is equal to 6 minus 5 lambda as equation number 3. Okay, first plane already 1 and 2 given, give the name as equation number 3. Hereafter substitute the point here, directly point substitute here. So this becomes r bar value I bar plus j bar plus k bar. These are the actual x into I plus y into j plus z into k. X, y, z already 1, 1, 1 given. Dot 1 plus 2 lambda into I plus 1 plus 3 lambda into j plus 1 plus 4 lambda into k equals 6 minus 5 lambda. Cleared? Substituted. Now using dot product method, I dot I, j dot j, we know that. So applying dot product, it becomes 1 into this value, 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 plus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda equals 6 minus 5 lambda. Okay, now simplify this answer. This implies here 2 lambda plus 3 lambda plus 4 lambda, total 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Taking this side, minus means plus, 9 plus 5 14 lambda plus constant terms or is equal to, we can write is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, taking on right side 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. This implies lambda is equal to 3 upon 14. Okay, where do you substitute this lambda? Substituting equation number 3 only. So substitute in equation number 3. Now it becomes r bar dot 1 plus, substitute here 3 divided by 14. Clear this one? So that is substitute here, we are getting values 3 in 1 plus 3 in 2 into 3 by 14, 2 3 is 6, 6 by 14 into I plus 1 plus 3 into 3 by 14, 9 by 14 into j plus 1 plus 4 into 3 by 14, 12 by 14 into k equals 6 minus 5 into 3 by 14, 15 divided by 14. Further simplification, r bar dot 14 plus 6, 20 by 14 into I cap plus 14 into 1, 14 plus 9, 23 by 14 into j cap plus 14 plus 12, 26 by 14 k cap is equal to 14 into 6. Okay, how much? 84. 84 minus 15. So 4, that is 9. 69 divided by 14, that is 69 upon 14. Throughout, what is the cancellation? 14 cancel that. What is the remaining? R bar dot 20 I cap plus 23 j cap plus 26 k cap equals 69, which is required equation of the plane. So this is our final answer. So which is required equation of the plane? Okay na? So this is required equation of the plane. So how to solve? Already we finished here 2 to 3 questions in the exercise. Again he has given one more problem, solving problem. This is example question. All of you should practice these questions. Now another 1 or 2 questions are there. I will finish now. Next question. Next problem. Show that very simple questions are there. Show that the lines are coplanar. Last 2 questions. Take the problem, question number 8. Okay, na? Already 7th one given. 8th one, show that the lines x plus 3 divided by minus 3 equals y minus 1 divided by 1 equals z minus 5 divided by 5, and x plus 1 divided by minus 1 equals y minus 2 divided by 2 equals z minus 5 divided by 5 are coplanar. So to show that 2 lines are coplanar, I have given condition. What is the condition? In Cartesian form, determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Next, a1, b1, c1. Third row, a2, b2, c2 is equal to 0 only. So, okay. So here, take the given lines, first one. Take as here in exam, write equation 1, equation 2. Comparing with the standard form, points I am writing directly. x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 plus means taking opposite symbol always, it is the standard form. y1 is equal to 1, z1 is equal to 5. a1 is equal to minus 3, b1 equals 1, b2 equals 5. From the second line, x2 equals minus 1, y2 equals 2, z2 equals 5. a2 equals minus 1, b2 equals 2, z2 equals 5. Coplanar condition. Now we have to show that this condition. Now determinant of formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Substitute the values. Determinant of x2 minus x1, minus 1 plus 3 becomes 2, plus 2 minus 1, 1, plus 5 minus 5, 0. Next row, a1, b1, c1, a1, b1, c1. Okay, excuse here. So minus 3, 1, 5. A2, B2, C2. Minus 1, 2, 5 is equal to, show that. We have to show that what? 0 only. 2 into 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10, that is minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 15 plus 5, that is minus 10. Plus 0 into minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. So this is equal to minus 10 plus 10 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, the lines are coplanar. Very simple. Therefore, given lines are coplanar. Okay. So this is. Now finally, last question. That is also completed distance model for problems. Perpendicular distance formula, that is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon root over a square plus b square problem. Okay, take the write down the question. Find the distance of a point. Find the distance of a point 2, 5, minus 3, 2, 5, minus 3 from the plane r bar dot, this is vector form given, 6i minus 3j plus 2k is equal to 4. Okay, so vector form given also, no problem. So we should write in the Cartesian form simply. So how to find the distance? So what is the point here? P x1 y1 z1 take, that is equal to point 2, 5, minus 3, and plane given. What is the plane here? R bar dot 6i minus 3j plus 2k is equal to 4. Convert into Cartesian form. How to convert? R bar is what? xi plus yj plus zk. Substitute here. We get directly, I am writing 6x minus 3y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form. Always vector form given, convert into Cartesian, Cartesian given, convert into vector. So how to bring, we know very well in both the forms. Now asking distance formula. So perpendicular distance. Okay, this meaning perpendicular distance. Formula we know that. Magnitude of, last class 4 to 5 questions they are done. Simplify. So here substitute the point directly. X, Y, Z only directly this value. 2 into 6, 12, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 4, divided by root over a square, 36, b square, plus 9, c square, 4. This is equal to, simplify, how much here? 12. Okay, na? 12 minus 15, that is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 10, that is minus 13. Divided by square root of 49 is 7. This is equal to 13 by 7 units. 13 by 7 units. Okay, na? So this is the perpendicular distance. So like we have to solve the questions. So I covered all example questions and also exercise problems. You practice each and every theorem also. Cleared? 3-dimensional geometry. I hope that you may understand. If there is any doubt, ask me in doubts classes. Thank you.